Hello, everybody. Can you hear me all right? We are live and back with day two of the Future of E-commerce Global. Thank you. There's about 1,000 of you that have registered to attend this event. So thanks so much for joining us today. Yesterday, we had you tune in and say where you were tuning in from, and it was people all across the globe. We had Canada, we had Brazil, we had Tokyo. It was just quite incredible. So thanks so much for tuning in from wherever you are. And if you want to drop where you are in chat, there should be a box somewhere down below me. You should see kind of this video embedded in the microsite, a little blurb right below that. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you can say hi in chat. I'd love to know where you're watching from and maybe even what you're looking to get out of this event today. So just like yesterday, I've got a little bit of housekeeping. We're going to go right into all of our back-to-back sessions for today, and we have got another amazing day packed for you. If you missed day one, no big deal. All the sessions will be available on demand on our YouTube, and I'll send you a link in just a second so you can go subscribe to our YouTube. Make sure you don't miss that. Other than that, what to expect for today, we've got a few interviews. We're going to close out with a merchant interview, which if you're doing any sort of fundraising, you're definitely going to want to stick around for that. We've got a lot of bright minds in venture capital, conversational commerce, and a whole lot more planned for you today. One other thing is that if you aren't following along in the show notes, I will post a link to that in chat. So anything that you did miss from yesterday, you'll actually just have like the cliff notes and the to-dos and the action items so that you can actually go, do work in the business and get moving in the right direction. Before we begin, I do need to thank all of our sponsors. These are the companies that make these events possible and literally free for you. Without their support, you would have to pay for this event, which would be, such a crime. And we love being able to give these away for free. So I'll run down the list for you really quick. Thank you to Gorgeous, the help desk for e-commerce. We heard from them yesterday. Rewind, just if you don't have this tool installed, you need the security. You want your site to not crash or get maliciously attacked or all of those things. Rewind, it's a really easy, just like way to breathe and make sure that your store isn't going to crash right before Black Friday, something like that. Recart, we saw great strategies for messenger marketing from Bridgie from Recart yesterday. OmniSend, the one all-in-one tool, ironically doesn't do messenger, but email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push notifications. Recart and OmniSend go really well together for that omni-channel marketing strategy. Verifone and 2Checkout, who we heard from yesterday on global payment processing strategy. We also did hear from Bridge Payments on similar global strategies and for more at-risk brands. Row, the financial management platform for e-commerce, really great platform that kind of combines a whole bunch of different financial tools and has better banking options than probably what you're using right now. And Peel Insights, if you are a growing brand that needs better understanding of your numbers, or that there's just kind of insights sitting there waiting for you to uncover and change your strategy. Peel Insights plugs in, you get a few different dashboards straight out of the box, like 100 when I say a few, and then all of a sudden you're seeing your own store data in a way that Shopify Analytics just can't do, and it really is quite amazing. Other than that, let's see, we've got an upcoming event for you that I'll just let you know. We are live with our Black Friday event, so you can go register for that. I see we've got Rio from the Philippines and Verica from Belgrade. Where is Belgrade? I've heard this before, but I don't even know. That's my bad. I should probably know this. Here, I'm going to drop all the links in the chat, and I'm going to bring in our first. We're doing